Okay, we're going to talk about inhalation and exhalation, air usage. Probably the number one problem and difficulty in having a good sound on the French horn is the use of air. So first we have to take in a really good inhalation. Air on the horn, and really any wind instrument, is the fuel which runs the engine. So let's talk about inhalation first. I like to describe inhalation by getting the oral cavity and the inside of the mouth really big. A really good way to think about it is to say the two words how and then to. How to. Inhale on the how and exhale on the to. So it would be like you notice that the upper body is nice and relaxed. In fact, everything is really nice and relaxed. The mouth is nice and open on the inside for the inhalation. And on the exhalation, try to get the mouth more in the shape of a horn embouchure, which we will talk about a little bit later. One good way to describe inhalation is to think of a really good hot food that you like, hot soup, hot lasagna, and when you're breathing in, trying to cool down the inside of your mouth with that hot food, you open things up really wide. And then you exhale the full energy of your body. So if we could all try that together. Some things that you can listen for in brass playing when you have less than really good air is a thin sound. You might have a really unsupported sound. Most young players have very small sounds. A lot of this is due to underdeveloped embouchures and other basic techniques that are still in process of getting strong. But I almost solve 75% of a lot of beginning problems just by saying more air, more air. And so having students practicing the inhalation and the exhalation is very important, even with some breathing exercises. But always remember how to. It's a really good way to practice inhalation and exhalation.